Hey friends, who's hungry? Fresh summer sweet corn tastes amazing in this creamy, cheesy hot corn dip with cream cheese. Roast 2 ears of fresh sweet corn in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes until the husks are charred and the corn is cooked through. Once the corn is cool enough to touch, remove and discard the husks and corn silk from the cobs. Slice the corn kernels from the cob into a large mixing bowl and set aside. In a large saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter, add 1 diced green bell pepper and 1 diced red bell pepper. Saute the vegetables for about 8 minutes until they're tender. Then add the peppers to the mixing bowl with the corn. Rinse and wipe out the same skillet, then add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, half a cup of mayonnaise, and half a cup of sour cream. Heat over medium-low heat, stirring frequently until the cream cheese is melted. Add 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, 2 cups of sharp shredded cheddar cheese, and the peppers and corn. Stir until everything is evenly mixed. Season the dip with salt and pepper to taste. Spread the corn dip into the bottom of a greased pie plate or 8x8 casserole dish. Top the dip with another cup of shredded cheddar cheese, then bake for 10 minutes in a 350-degree oven until the cheese is melted. Serve the dip warm with corn or tortilla chips.